That's worth the Dundee. Just a bunch of airheads like Kelly Bundy. So slow when they slow to score. 600 horse, how you gon' catch the boss? Point them with their hand up, trying to catch the source. The other mute was cold, trying to cut the cord. And I believe you.
Shake that thing, miss. Gonna shake that thing, miss. Gonna shake that thing, yeah. No. Jody and Rebecca. Shake, 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 shake that 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 shake, 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 shake that.
That's what I back it up, kiss it, I'm here. People fly, hee. Why do people want you put your hands up high? Put your hands up high. Put your hands up high. Put your hands up high. Why do people put your hands up high? Hands up high. Gotta beat it go rat-tat-tat-tat. Gotta beat it go rat-tat.
Puhkad Studios, Red Ruby, aitäh teile, kallid tantsijad ja nüüd tuleb